we should use those. He looks like a convict.
Well, since his baby left him.
He's found a place to dwell, huh?
Yeah, and it wasn't a heartbreak hotel. He's a convict now. Here at Luch, Dorito Luch Convict.
Yeah, it really hurts when I do that.
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito.
And the Luch Convict here today.
And today we're here with the Tao Motor
Db-27 125cc dirt bike.
Yep, and we're going to get this thing unboxed right now and get the crate out of it and get to this thing. It's a really cool dirt bike, and I can't wait to get this box off and see it. I've kept the box on it because I didn't want to look at it yet. So you guys are going to see it as we do. Let's get on with it.
Shall we?
All right, we're back.
We're back.
So now we're going to, what are we going to do, Luch?
Well, first we're going to start with the back shock, and then we're going to go on to the handlebars.
Yep.
And then we're going to go on to the front of the tires.
The front of my tires. And then we got to put on the, you got to put on the
chain guard,
as well.
The front fender, number plate, etc.
Yep. And once we get this all together, we'll talk about the extra features that they have on here. Just like the other Tao Motor coming out. Got the collapsible, adjustable.
We'll
levers.
get there when we get there. Let's put this thing together.
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay.
You wonder why I'm always yelling.
Yep. So you need me to pick this up for you, sir?
Yeah, we're going to put the mono shock on first. This is going to be shocking.
It's real easy to put together, people. You just pull it. Very simple. One bolt into the shock.
And there you have it.
Yep. Do we need any Loctite on that, sir?
It's a lock nut that's
Okay.
on the end of this.
Very good.
So your nuts are automatically locked.
Yeah. If you do not have a lock nut on this, and it's just a regular nut, remember, you guys want to go through everything on this bike and check every bolt and Loctite everything. That's the important part there, people.
Of course, can't get into there from here.
Tighten that down. How many Lucha meters?
Oh, it's another 4,500 Newton meters. So let's go.
All right, now that we got that tightened up, we can go on to the chain guard.
Chain guard.
Yep, the chain guard.
Oh my, the chain guard.
Here you go, Luch. Chain guard.
This will guard your chain.
More than, what? Who, where?
That's
More than Uncle Jack?
no, that's the exhaust pipe, pal.
Oh, okay.
Well, that's it. It's gotta go this way.
Let's get these stickers. Ooh, look at this. This is really looking good. Now, like I said with this, you got the ball bearing throttle on this. You got the anodized brakes. There's a lot of cool stuff. You got the anodized shifter.
This shifter's really cool.
Yeah, there's a lot of.
I like this color too.
Yes, I do.
It's a lot better than that blue crap you used to get.
Well, they do have it in blue. They also got it in green and black. They also got it green and white, I believe, and red and black as well. So you guys go ahead and check it out.
I'm partial to the Ford Competition Orange.
That is pretty good.
Grabber Orange.
Grabber orange, is that what that is?
That's exactly what that is. It's what your old Maverick used to be, remember?
Oh, yeah.
No, you didn't ride the old Maverick.
No, I did not.
That's too bad.
And it wasn't grabber orange.
That is too bad.
I had a dart.
What?
I had a dart. You remember my dart?
Yeah. That carburetor's a piece of crap on that thing.
It was a 6-cylinder.
That doesn't mean nothing. Those 6 cylinders are great.
Yeah.
All right, we got a chain guard on, people. We got our mono shock on.
Got our chain guard on. Now let's go on to the handlebars, which is going to be very, very easy, right, Luch?
If you say so.
Let's go ahead and get that out there for you.
All right.
Now, what is this? 2 Allen heads?
Yeah, 2 Allen heads are supplied. It does have a slotted washer on there, so you can move the handlebars forward and or backwards.
This goes on the underside, correct?
Yes, it do.
Okay, here you go. I'll hold up the bars for you.
And there's little grooves that the handlebars will sit in. So just make sure you get them in a groove.
Let me get on this side, sir.
Sir.
Don't want to take out the beauty of the bike.
All right.
There you go.
All right, that looks like about right. Make sure your grooves are lined up on both sides, people. You don't want no cockeyed handlebars.
Nope. You want to make sure it's all pretty basic and very self-explanatory when it comes to putting these things together. And there's really not much to them. Like we said, you put on the shocks, you put on the front tire, you put on the handlebars, you put on the fender, and you put on the
Number plate.
The number plate.
All right.
Pretty much
Look
ready to go.
All right, there. Now
Awesome.
you can tighten it up.
With your Allen head.
What'd you call me?
Allen.
Hey, that's all right.
And these cool grips again. I really like these grips that they have now on the new Tao Motor.
Gripping, aren't they?
Yeah. They're really, really nice. Ball bearing throttle as well.
You said that 3 times.
No, it's because it's so awesome. Wow.
You didn't, did you?
The front brake?
Nice!
Oh.
Nice!
No, I didn't. I know what you're talking about. You didn't hear any uh-oh, did you?
Nice! Oh my goodness. Well, people, this concludes our show today. Oh, me, oh my.
Me, oh my. Oh me, oh me, oh my.
You sure you want to put this on first?
What do you think, Elvis? Yes.
All right.
Elvis says, of course. What are you, crazy?
What are you, crazy?
I don't know why you're even asking me. You should have known to do that first.
Oh, look at what we have here.
What is that, sir? Would you like a screwdriver?
Yes.
Let me get a screwdriver for you, sir. Would you like a
Ah,
flathead screwdriver, sir?
stop calling me sir. Pets and kids.
There you go, buddy.
That's better. Thanks, guy.
Oops. No problem, guy. Good guy.
All right. Woo!
You got that handle?
Crisis
I can't believe you did
averted. Crisis averted.
that. Actually, crisis risen.
You got the screws for that?
You're
Oh,
right
he
there.
does.
You're right there, sir.
Shit.
Yeah, remember the three short ones and the 2 long ones. Take your pick.
3 short ones.
I'm guessing that's probably accurate.
Pretty much. My life story.
I really like this sticker scheme and the paint scheme, the powder coated frame. They've really stepped it up. This thing's also got the gold chain on it.
So you can impress your rapper friends.
Oh, no.
What you say about my mama?
Yeah, but it does have the gold chain on it, which is a stronger chain.
Know what that means?
Not just so you can impress your rapper friends, but
Oh.
yeah, it serves a purpose. It's a more durable chain. So I'm really, really impressed with this whole thing. The striped seat, they really did a whole bunch to the aesthetics as well as this thing. Just overall, it looks awesome. Even got a foam filter on the carburetor, a cleanable filter.
Racing.
Yes,
R is for racing.
this thing is awesome, man. Awesome. Now, I do remember the other DB-27. It was a fun bike to ride. So
This is going to be more fun.
yeah, let's see how the new one does. I can already tell you there's a lot more to, oops.
Don't touch the hose.
There's a lot more to it.
There is a lot more to it. Oh my God, people.
Would you like me to get you a flathead screwdriver?
I got one here to say right next to me. All right.
So we'll end up adjusting the bars a little later. But for now, here, you want to adjust the bars for yourself there, Luke?
No.
No? Okay. So we'll go ahead and get this on there. Oh, yeah, I forgot. You're not going to ride this, are you?
No.
Why not?
I can. Well,
You're scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
make sure you route your.
Luch is more of a four-wheel kind of guy, and he does actually prefer 4 wheels and a cage. But even a cage sometimes, as we've seen before, insert clip here. Doesn't mean that it's always safe for Luch.
You got that all wrong. I'm more of the air conditioning and radio kind of guy.
Whilst doing 70 miles an hour across the dirt
Right.
in his Ford Raptor.
The whip will charge 4 Raptor, people. Get
This
yours
is-
today.
But this is competition orange.
You can paint it whatever color you want, as long as it's got air conditioning.
We got oil in it for fire up.
All right.
And we'll be doing a service video on this as well too. We're gonna do quite a few videos on this. So, all right. Are we ready for the front tire now, sir?
I think so.
Okay. I'm gonna put my belly on the back with the lift here and bring this down so he can get there under there comfortably. Let's see how that'll work. Will that work for you? Is that high enough or no?
Now make sure you put your rotor inside the caliper before, and then you want to slide the big. Yes, the big one goes in the caliper side. The smaller one goes on.
No, we're talking the spacers, correct?
Spacers. Now that we got our axle and our spacers and everything in, we can go ahead and tighten it. Now, people, make sure that you put your axle in from the left side to the right side, so the axle nut doesn't want to tend to back off.
Yep.
So let's go ahead and tighten this up.
What size you need there? So we're going to use the 19 millimeter, tighten it up on that side. What side?
19 millimeter.
And what on the other side?
Well, yeah, I had to use 11, so 17
So
millimeter.
19 millimeter on 17 millimeter.
17.
There we
Right.
go.
This guy.
All right, so what else we got to do here, Lou?
Check the brakes. Check the brake. Brake works. Lift it up. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Clutch feels like it works.
Clutch feels like a clutch.
Okay, we're going to get this thing down from the lift.
Oh, we're gonna do it.
Okay.
All right.
So we're back. We got some gas in it. We're going to kick it over, see if it starts. And after that, Luke should tell you about all the cool features that he's got on it.
Yeah,
okay?
we need to get some carbon monoxide going on in here.
Yep. So let's go ahead and check it out, shall we?
All right. Hey, it starts right up, people.
It does. One leg up, one side.
And the smell it leaves off is wonderful.
Okay, sounds really throaty. Good sound at 125.
Yeah.
Yep.
This should be a lot of fun.
Ball bearing throttle as well.
Man, this is really cool, people. You know, this stuff's got a lot of neat features on it, too, people. Like Chip said, it's got the roller bearing throttle on it. It's also got the collapsible levers, and they're adjustable. It's got a lot of neat anodized features on it that are really cool. It's got front and rear disc brakes, people.
Yep.
Not a drum in the back.
Nope.
It's got the 18-karat gold-plated chain that will leave you the envy of all your rapper friends.
Yeah, it does have the gold chain for the strength.
It's got the red glow iron performance coil on it too, people. It should really rip.
Yep. And it's also got these awesome new grips that Tao has on all their
yeah, I'm not going to go into these, but
the
these are really
grips.
they're really nice.
Yep, and they're really good. So
What else we got? I love the color of this one, too. The competition orange, people.
So
It's beautiful, isn't it?
yep. So this is the Tao Motor Db-27.
125 cc.
Awesome bike. Yeah, 125
Beautiful, isn't it?
cc.
New graphic scheme. Well, if
The
you can see, we didn't get this one off.
You didn't get that one there.
Missed that one. But that one, you'll
The
get
new
yours
graphics,
off.
as you guys can see with the
Beautiful new graphic
the
scheme.
competition orange painting. You got the Tao Motor on the wheels that we showed you guys already. On
Right?
the
It's
side.
almost like having your red line wheels on your hot rod.
Yep.
It's beautiful, people.
Yeah, this thing's awesome. And I'm probably going to end up riding this thing down the street in a little while. And I'll probably insert the clip. But we will be doing a ride and review of this bike. This is getting back to basics for us. If you guys remember, we had the DB-17 back in the day and the DB-27. We've had the older versions of this, and we really like these bikes. So I can't wait to get this out. And we're going to have some surprises for you, too, on who's riding and reviewing this.
Oh, my goodness. Say it isn't so.
Yep. George Fudo may be there, but is he going to be the one on the bike?
I doubt it.
Yep. Keep your eyes out for the video, and we'll get back to you guys. All right?
Thank you for joining us, people.
Yep. Don't forget to come back to a Dorito.
And the Lucha Cabre.
Peace.
Rock on, people. Lucha. There you have it, people.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.